GoHighLevel custom values. One thing we ran into when creating new accounts, as we've been doing this more, if you use a default, like a blank snapshot or one of these other ones for creating an account, and then you want to import, say later, your own snapshot of custom values, we've found that these type of custom values, when you try to bring them in on an account that's already created from another snapshot, it does not bring them in. So what you want to do when you first create a new sub account and use that snapshot that has these custom values already in it from the beginning of their account when you set it up. Otherwise, you have to enter these manually. That's one thing we wish we knew earlier when we were creating newest sub accounts, is to have the custom values. Hopefully that's helpful. Let me know in the comments below what you wish you knew when creating a snapshot.